These goats are so cute. Look at it. How you supposed to eat this goat? Huh? How? Can't do it. I've had goat meat since I've been here. And I love me some roti, but I can't do it. Look at it. This my boy too. This my boy. Look at that. I know. Hmm? No one's gonna eat you. It's okay. Just keep making me babies. Okay, cool. They're just the cutest little, and they're so light too. Oh my god. Look at them. Look at that though. Good God. Look at that. What is that, huh? Put some dudes to shame. Anyway, let me stop playing with my goat. I think it's a little bit terrified. I think it thinks it's its time, don't you? You think it's your time? It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. I can't do it. I've had this goat for a while, too. For a while. I just can't do it. I don't think mammals and livestock is for me. I'm an animal lover, so it's like, I can't do it. I eat those bad boys, but just not the ones I have. They become pets. They become pets. I think I'll just start growing vegetables. I think I'm cool with that. Ginger and other crops, things that don't have cute faces or faces at all, or make sounds like that. So I think that's what I'll do. But anyway, just want to show you my goat up close. That's all I got to say is afrothinktank, learn something, so I'm out.